So, as promised, here is the recap for the day. It was not a good day. Um, I made some bad trades, basically. Go over it real quick. So, just kind of go over everything I did today. I bought Palantir. It sold off really bad after earnings, and it had great earnings, like beat the street on everything, and there was no reason for it to sell off. And I just assumed that the market would act rational and buy it, and it would go back up. And so far, it hasn't done that. I'm down. Well, it says I'm down about 18 bucks on the trade right now, and that is. I'm down a little less than that for the day because I made some good trades. Let's see. CLRB was one that I bought. It was a small capper. I got it for 5.29. We sold for about 30 cents a profit. 23 shares. It was about $7 I made off that one. Um, Robinhood, pretty much a break-even trade. Marvell, I made a couple bucks on Marvell. Now I lost. ServiceNow did not do well. Robinhood really didn't do what I thought it should, and Circle is the one of the ones that got me pretty good. So between those three, because PayPal had bad earnings and it drug all those three down. Now I only lost like $1.50 or $2. Circle, I think I lost like $7 on that one, and Hood was pretty much even. But yeah, so I pretty much call all three of those a loss. Intel, I did good on that one. I made a couple bucks. Or wait, 450. I made 450. IRDM, I think I sold for even. And then Palantir's the one that I'm just sitting on right now because I don't know. I just kept that into my position. I thought, they busted through with killer earnings. They beat the street on pretty much every metric, and it still sold off today. Like, I'm in at 141.36, and it sold off to, I'll bring it up over here. It did this whole candle right here. You can see, started up here, $145, and it just sold off all day. Still kind of selling off. So I don't know. I'm just gonna bag hold that one. I don't think it should be at that level. Looking at the chart, I don't really understand. I guess it could come on down to 127. Really, I could lose another $8 a share. But I don't know. It just seems like it's acting irrational right now. And I know that that's saying that the market can be irrational longer than you can have money. Um, this is true, but you have to follow your gut. And I guess my gut was wrong all day. I guess the short sellers got on it. That's the only thing I can think of because in pre-market it was doing good. It went from 140 to 145 kind of in pre-market and then just sold off. So I don't know. Um, we're just considering hold it. But anyway, I just want to do a quick recap. I think we're down like $15 for the day or something. It's not a big deal. And to be honest, if I hold this and I get all this back, then it'll be a wash. But yeah, it just seems irrational to me. I don't know what to say about it. We'll probably get a little bit more off Bitcoin too. That's the other thing. Bitcoin's strong right now. But I'm gonna let you go. It is what it is, and we'll get back after it tomorrow. I think the takeaways for the day is that I'm not going to be investing in the fintech section anymore until the Fed cuts the rates, because that's really the thing that's holding all that back. And then I don't think I am going to invest in Palantir again. This is about the third time that it's burned me, and I'm not sure what's going on, why it has such a negative sentiment in the market, but it just seems like it doesn't matter what they do, what their earnings are, what kind of announcements they have, everybody shorts it. So I'm just going to stay out of it from now on. I mean, this is about the third time that I've gotten involved with it, and I think I lost on it. I think I had to hold it for like a week to get my money back one time, and then now it looks like I'm going to get stuck bag holding again. So I am done with this stock officially, after this thing hopefully recovers. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and